How to fix Minecraft launcher issues. So let's get started with the tutorial. Players having problem with the Minecraft launcher are often missing dependencies or signing into the wrong Microsoft account. So here is a step by step on how to fix this. First, simply try uninstalling and reinstalling the Minecraft launcher. This will ensure that all the necessary files are freshly installed on your computer. So after that, check signed in accounts. The launcher works in conjunction with Microsoft and Xbox services to validate your Minecraft license and provide access to advanced features such as realms and parental controls. So make sure you are using the same Microsoft account with the license for Minecraft to sign into your launcher. Then, browse launcher resources. All of the Minecraft articles related to solving problems with the Minecraft launchers are located at the Minecraft launcher support, so you can simply browse through it and figure out your solution.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.